Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and then we don't actually have to scroll down a lot because here we've got the battery, so let's tap. As you can see in this section, we've got the battery percentage option, which is of course in my case turned off. As you can see, I've got only the battery indicator. So all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, your device will immediately display the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Unfortunately, it is the only option which we've got here, so we cannot customize the place of the percentage. However, you can always show it just by using this option. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.